Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is our video submission for Milestone 7 for CST-339, Java 3 programming with Professor Estey. And the group composes of myself, Noah, Josh, Bree, and Julia. And in this milestone, we are tasked with adding the REST API functionality to all recipes and then specifically fetching uh, specific a certain recipe um, from our list of recipes, and then also using the Swagger .io function to help generate a nice clean view of our APIs, as well as to add security functionalities that prevent users from accessing our APIs if they're not logged into our system. So we have our Spring application currently running. We got the SQL servers running. Uh, this is my second take. This wasn't working for me, so let's pray that this works. So let's go to localhost 3000. Okay, I'm going to maximize this, and I'm going to go to explore more recipes. Should be, there we go. Okay. So M Collins, gonna do okay, perfect. We're logged in. Yes, we know the password is not very secure. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Explore. So a little bonus thing, Josh, with his all his expertise and his artistic creativeness, he was able to check this out. Boom. Add that cool little function there when you view a recipe. Got a pan smash in it. I think that's awesome. Um, the team did a great job making this look presentable. You can see you got the recipe ID, who created it, is public or private, and then it lists all the nice, SQL table here and a nice, you know, HTML display using dime leaf. We got eggs, the quantity, the measurement, etc., and then we got our instructions. So that is awesome. Now, let's check out the recipes, the API. So here you could see we got our REST API outputting all of the recipes. So we got, here's omelet, the one we're just looking at. It has the ingredient ID for each ingredient as well as the instructions. And then let's check out a specific recipe. We'll continue with the omelet example. And boom, there is our REST API for a specific recipe. And what was the Swagger one? I think the localhost Swagger was just Swagger. Yep. So here we could do all the same functions. We're gonna get recipes. We'll try it out, execute, and here's the exact same document you just saw, just in a nice kind of quasi markdown format here. So it gets the JSON. Let's get the XML too. There's the JSON. I believe that's the XML. And then we could also try it for a specific recipe. So we'll try it out. Oh, we gotta put in, let's get the omelet. And boom, gets the omelet, puts it in a nice, easy to read, dark background, bright text, easy for the user to read. This is also incorporated into our final markdown submission as well, I believe. So great job to the team on adding all those and the aesthetics too. Everything just looks fantastic. We're going to log out so we could show that the API access does not work So it doesn't work when a user is logged out. So let's go back to API recipes. And as you could see, you're redirected to a login screen prompting us to log in. So those are the four requirements fulfilled. Team did an excellent job. This is pretty much our final milestone for the project. I just want to thank each one of them. Bree, Josh, Julia, Noah. They did a fantastic job. I did so little compared to all of them, and I'm just thankful to be part of the group and to help document it. And yeah, I think in the final video will be just kind of going over everything, the Java documentation, and some of the more technical aspects. Maybe we'll have one of the other group members do that one. But yeah, this was a awesome milestone. Thank you, Professor Estey, for all your hard work, and helping us out when we need it. And thank you to my team, and thank you to all you guys who are watching on the power of the internet. So this is it for now, and see you on the next one.